Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's video, I am going to talk about Essen und Trinken. These are two important words, Essen und Trinken. It is very important if you are a beginner or if you want to improve your speaking or writing skills. Essen und Trinken. Essen means to eat and Trinken means to drink. These are two basic verbs and we'll see how do we use them in a sentence. Essen and Trinken. So now I am writing few nouns here like der Käse, cheese, das Brot, the bread, der Kuchen, cake, der Salat, salad, okay, das Brotchen, small bread, Brotchen, that is also eatable. Die Wurst, sausage. I hope you understand what is sausage. Die Wurst. Now, when do we make sentence? We have to see first of all it is eatable or drinkable. Which verb we should use? Essen or trinken. So Käse means cheese. So Essen. I eat cheese every day. Ich esse Käse jeden Tag. Okay, ich esse Käse jeden Tag or täglich. You can say täglich means daily. I eat cheese daily. I like it. Brot. If you say I eat bread in the breakfast. Bread and butter. Ich esse Brot und Butter. Brot und Butter. Zum Frühstück. Here, zum Frühstück means for the breakfast. Okay. I eat this for the breakfast. So this is important. Zum Frühstück. Remember, if you want to say in the breakfast, zum Frühstück. Next, Kuchen. You eat cake like am Abend. Use third person. I am using different person intentionally so that you learn the conjugation. Martin ist einen Kuchen. Der Kuchen, we can write einen. One piece. Einen Kuchen. Abends means every evening. S. So Martin ist. Look at the conjugation. Third person. Martin is Er ist Kuchen. Abends. Or we eat salad. Wir essen Salat vor dem Essen. Before the food. It is very healthy. Na? Before eat, we should have salad. Wir essen. Look at the structure. Wir essen. So essen here, this is a verb. Okay, and this essen is noun. Before meal, I mean to say, before meal, I eat salad. We eat salad. It's very healthy. How do you say it is healthy? Es ist gesund. It is healthy. Es ist gesund. So these are all, you can see, nouns. These are all nouns. So you should know noun with article so that you can easily make sentence. Ich esse, Martin ist, third person. These are all eatables. Now we'll see some drinkables. Drinks that we can drink. So I write certain nouns here. Die Milch, der Saft, means juice, die Cola, cold drink, der Tee or Kaffee, tea, coffee, das Wasser. These are all that we can drink. Okay. Now, if I make sentence, so ich trinke, I drink milk every morning. Ich trinke Milch morgens. Morgens means in the morning or every morning I drink milk. Similarly, Saft, like mein Bruder, third person. So you should know the conjugation, T ending. Mein Bruder trinkt Apfelsaft. Apple juice, Apfelsaft. That is also correct. My brother drink. Ich trinke, conjugation. Ich trinke. Mein Bruder trinkt Cola. If you say I don't drink, ich trinke keine Cola. Keine, remember I told you how to make negative sentence. Ich trinke keine Cola. I don't drink. Keine, I don't drink Cola. Okay, Tee, Kaffee. You can say abends. You can start with this also. Abends means every evening. Trinke is coffee. Okay, I drink coffee every evening. Abends trinke ich Kaffee. Wasser. Ich trinke Wasser. I drink water. So these are the verbs. If you look at the verbs, we have used trinken. Ich trinke, mein Bruder trinkt, ich trinke, abends trinke, ich trinke. Basically first person and third person. So trinken means to drink. Here we can also use modal verb would like. Would like means möchten. In German we say möchten means would like. What would you like to drink? We ask sometimes, huh? Or I would like to drink coffee, tea. So if you make question, was möchten Sie trinken? Was möchten Sie trinken or essen? Okay. What would you like to drink or eat? This is the verb in infinitive. Remember modal verb. This is our modal verb, second place, and infinitive last place. Always. This is the use of modal verb. Was möchten Sie trinken? Answer: I would like to drink. Ich möchte einen Kaffee. Kaffee der, so einen, one coffee. Ich möchte einen Kaffee bitte. I would like one coffee please. This is my answer. Ich möchte einen Kaffee bitte. Here we don't write trinken because it is understood that Kaffee we drink, trinken. So that is also correct, okay? Ich möchte einen Kaffee bitte. If you say Ja Nein Frage, you can also make Ja Nein Frage with this. Like, would you like to drink coffee? This is also the case. So, möchten. Möchten Sie einen Kaffee? That is also correct. So here we start with the verb. Möchten Sie einen Kaffee? Then you can say Ja or Nein. Ja, or if you say Nein. No. So both correct. Would you like a coffee? Yes. Yeah. Nein. Danke. No thanks. So that's all in this small and important video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.